Hello guys, so welcome back to this video again, and in the last part we have printed a string which was something like this, and I told you that in the further video we will be using print function. So let us do the same using print function. So yeah, here we are getting the output. So what exactly a function is that in the function we give a set of instruction which it will perform and give us the output. So here also using the print function we have given the output of a string, and as you can see here the exact same string is printed. One thing which you can observe here is that in the previous one where we have not used the print function we are getting a single inverted comma, but here there is no single inverted commas present. Sorry, the single inverteds are not there. So why is it happening? So let us take another case. Well, suppose we want to print the mass. So we'll press enter. Oh, there is an error, and this error is coming because here the inverted comma is closed, and this whole part is totally neglected. So this is a syntax error. So for overcoming this error, we will be doing. So yeah, you can now see the error is gone, and we are perfectly getting the output which we want. So for that we are using a double inverted comma. But there is another trick here which we can use, and that is that we can give single inverted comma, and we have done this. So now the problem which will come here is this. So here we are giving a backslash, and when we press enter, yeah, you can see we are getting the same out here as well as here. So using these two techniques are the one which you are comfortable you can use to ignore this error. Now let us take one more case. So this time what we'll do is we'll print. So now this channel part I want in double inverted commas. So let us check. Oh, again it is showing the error. So here again you can see the double inverted commas are completed here and the further part is blank. Again, to overcome this part, what we'll do is we'll use the old trick which we did. So now this will show error. So for that we'll be using the backslash, and yeah, you can see even the single inverted is there as well as double inverted is there. So basically this is all what Python is all about, that you can have multiple techniques, multiple ways to get to a output. That what makes it easier, and that what makes it more interesting. So that's why it is preferred by more and more people, and one of the best language which is used right now. So let us see one more case where I want to print. Oh yeah, we are getting the output. Now what if I want to print 10 times? Will it work? Let us see. Yeah, it is working. Is it 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Yeah. So yeah, for then this way I can print my name n number of times, and wow, this is a very good technique. So one more way is there using this print function. So let us take a case like print, and we'll give any certain value slash n e. So now let us guess the output what we'll get. So let's enter, and we are getting slash RONIPE. Yeah, we are getting the output which we want here. With this. Now let us take one more case. Oh, so now you can see that this is not the output which we were expecting, because this was the expected output and we are getting this. So why is this happening is because the slash n which is there, it is to break the line into the next line. So for that particular function it is not giving the output which is required. So for that we will be discussing later in our videos that there's something called as raw string which is being used, and it will be used to eradicate this kind of errors. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.